Okay, so hello everyone. This is part 16 of our JavaScript playlist. Okay, so here we are learning. We have been learning write conditional and looping statements, and we have seen if else and else if. Okay, else if also we have completed, and this what like else if, right? We have completed this much. Now we will discuss about switch, how switch work exactly. Let me delete this. Okay, so let's check how. Let me write the switch program. So for example, I'm writing here color equals to, for example, color is equals to red. Okay, please try to understand. Here is what this is. Color is a variable which containing a string value. Okay, this is string value, right? And let is a keyword. We use let in order to declare the variable, right? Now what I will say, I will take a switch. I will write switch condition. So here I will write color, and after writing colors, okay, I will write case. When we write switch, so we use case, switch cases. Okay, so here I will write case, right? So if case is like green, I'm saying green. If color is green, then what I will say, alert. Okay, this is a green color, right? So this message I will display. Okay, then I will break. So what I'm doing here, so this is a color variable. I write this color variable here in switch parenthesis. Now this switch, suppose this is kind of machine. So this machine will compare this color value with this case. So what is the case? This case value is what? Green. So tell me, this color red is matching with this green case? No, it is not matching. If it is not matching, so it will not display this message, right? And it will also ignore break. If it is not matching, it will ignore these two statements, alert and break. All right. So let me write another case where I'm writing red. Okay. So I'm writing here, this is red color. Okay. And break. Okay. Suppose I don't know which color it is containing. Suppose I don't know this color variable, which color is containing. So I'll give this color variable to the switch, and switch will compare this color variable with cases. Whatever cases we write, it will compare with each case. So first, this color will compare with this case. This case value is green. So this color value is not matching with green. So means if it is not matching, this will not execute and this will not execute. So if it is not executing, now switch will move forward to another case. Now this color value will compare to this case. So what is the color value? Color value is red. So red is matching with this case. If the value is matching with this case, so means this alert will execute and this break will execute. Okay, break means stop the flow, right? Break means stop the flow of the switch. Okay, if it will execute break means it will not reach to the further cases. For example, I'm writing here a yellow. Okay, and this is a yellow color and break. Okay, so once this color variable match with this case, so it will execute this alert and it will break. Once break means get out from this switch loop, switch condition. Okay, so it will not compare to further condition. If it is not matching, then it will move forward. Okay, once this case is matched with respective variable, right? So it will execute this alert and this will execute this break. So means this will not further execute this case. Okay, then after this we have default. Okay, in default we write this color is not a valid color. Okay, suppose I'm writing here TD. So red, like triple D I'm writing. So is it a valid name of the color? So it is not matching with this case. It is also not matching with this case. It is also not matching with this case, right? So if it is not matching with any case, then automatically default will execute. Okay, default will execute, right? So let's check what would be the output. If our color value is wrong, means it is not matching with any case, so it will execute default. This color is not valid. This color is not a valid color. So let me open browser. Let me refresh it. Okay, so what it is saying, this color is not a valid color, right? Suppose if I'm writing here red, So it will check first this case. So means this is not matching. Now it will move forward to the this case, means it is matching. So it will execute this and it will execute break, means it will end the loop. It will end the conditions. Okay, let me refresh the page. Okay, so what it is saying, this is the red color. So means this case is matching. Okay, if I say this is a green color, okay, green. So what it is saying now, this is a green color because the color value is green. So it is saying green. So it will display this and it will break. Suppose if I delete the break from here, so it will match with this case and it will display alert message, but it will not break. After that, it will check here also, right? It will check here also and it will check whether it is matching or not. So let's see what will happen. Let me refresh it. So this color is a green color, it is saying, right? And it is also saying this color is red color. So like, let me run again. This is a green color and this is also saying this is a red color. So means this, which is false, means this is a green color, then why it is saying red color? Why? Because we remove break here. Means once the condition is true, once condition is true checked, then execute the statement and break from the this switch conditions. Right? That's why we use break here. Alright. I hope you are understanding the logic. Alright. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching this video. In the next video, we will discuss further topic, which is like we will discuss this for loop, while loop, and do while loop. These topics are remaining. We will discuss this topic as well. All right. So thank you everyone for watching this video.